Christmas time. There's no need to be afraid. At Christmas time, we let in light and we banish shade. And in our world of plenty, we can spread a smile of joy. Throw your arms around the world at Christmas time. But say a prayer, pray for the other ones. At Christmas time, it's hard, but when you're having fun, there's no world outside your window, and it's a world of dread and fear, where the only water flowing is the bitter sting of tears, and the Christmas bells that ring there are the clanging chimes of doom. Well, tonight, thank God it's them instead of you. And there won't be snow in Africa this Christmas time. The greatest gift they'll get this year is life. Oh, where nothing ever grows, no rain or rivers flow. Do they know it's Christmas time at all? Here's to you, raise a glass for everyone. Here's to them underneath that burning sun. Do they know it's Christmas time at
Good morning. We back. We here. We back at the BDH. It's Christmas time. Oh, what's funny is me and D Money were just looking at the chart here a minute ago, and I was kind of looking at the daily chart. Market's moving right now. Looking at the daily chart here, D, and we were like, look, right? There's that gap. Kind of puts us down there to the 600s, and looks like the market wanted to go there right before market open here. So. Classic.
Yeah, classic gap fill. Let's go.
Filling that little gap right there. So now the question is, do we fill that gap and push back up a little bit, or do we continue selling off here? The $1 million question everybody wants to know. You know, a lot of people want to know. Every morning people, they be texting me and asking me, Patrick, which way the market's going to go? I said, man, if I knew exactly which way the market was going to go, I wouldn't even trade live on YouTube.
Yeah.
I would just, make millions of dollars while sitting on my fucking mega yacht in the Caribbean somewhere. I don't even know. I'd go somewhere crazy.
Guys, if you guys see the good morning, chat. If you guys see the shirt, free Jerome, guys.
What you got? Oh, Jerome.
He's locked up again.
Okay.
So
oh shit.
I had to show some support. Free Jerome, guys. This guy, man.
Come on, Jerome. Why you getting all crazy, Jerome?
He's locked up again.
The shirt goes to benefit Jerome's bail. All proceeds will go towards Jerome's bail. All right, well, look at that. Down there to that pivot point, we got 600 to kind of fill the gap all the way. I think it was like that Sunday high or the Friday close high was 599. So, yeah, 599. Getting a little bit of reaction there. Fucking A, man. That would have been such a nice little trade. Oh, it was kind of just bouncing, and finally made that move down there about 50 points to the downside now. So it's anyone's guess. We go up, we go down. It's Christmas time. So we got some giveaways. We got some fun. We got some action. So delightful. Also, I got this. I thought this was pretty cool. Check this out. Little Christmas present.
Yeah, that thing is sick.
Oh, it's the big cock.
Yeah, that thing is sick.
With the Bitcoin and the dollar bills. Big cock, Bitcoin. Oh, it's BDH. It's BDH, baby. I'm just gonna put this like this for now. All right, Chad, here we go. Today we're going big. So that was cool. I like it. I think it really sums up what the BDH is all about. What do you think, Landon? You got your microphone over there, sir. Your camera's on? Well, the wide camera's on. We can see you there. There's a camera right there. Hidden camera. What do you think?
Yeah.
Is it BDH?
Very BDH.
Very BDH, he says. Okay. Well, I'm gonna just cover up my charts here. I don't have any look at the charts today. All right. Well, that's a tricky one now. The range is broken. The market did exactly what we thought it might do. That would have been the move we wanted to see it open.
Yeah, that would have been nice.
Right? Not that fucking. What was that? 834? Why did 834?
You had prelim news at prelim GDP news at 8:30. So that was probably the culprit.
4 minutes delayed.
Yeah, I think the reaction probably was a little delayed.
All they ever wanted, all they ever needed is here in my arms. Are you a music guy, D? Like I always gotta have music playing. Maybe it's just because I'm like a loud person.
Yeah.
But I always gotta have something going on, like music or just something.
Yeah,
I
like
turn the TV on just to hear something.
Yeah, I'm like that a lot of times.
I don't
I gotta
enjoy
have
the
something
silence,
on.
like
Yeah,
the
I gotta have something on.
All right, what's your
R&B?
what's
You
your
know,
go-to?
R&B. Sometimes I'm an R&B guy.
R&B.
Man. Yeah.
Okay.
I have R&B.
I mean, I wouldn't have picked you for death metal or anything.
You know, got a little R&B going
All
on,
right.
a little hip hop.
So if you had you had a nice little lady over,
yeah,
and you're having a glass of wine,
yeah.
what's your go-to music?
So probably Bryson Tiller. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Throwing some
This guy,
Bryson Tiller.
R&B, all right.
Yeah.
Mr. Rico Suave over
Yeah, you
there.
gotta have
Mr.
something
R&B, huh? Okay.
Somebody said KC and JoJo. That's the old school. All my life.
Oh, that's funny. That is funny now. All right, you got to laugh about that. By the way, right now, Warbucks, we're doing a big sale. It's 50% off the one-step accounts. That means that the price is $25, guys. It's $25 for the 5K account with Warbucks BTC. So while it's the holidays, the markets are closed and all that, don't worry. If you're a crack addict and you want to keep on trading, you can keep on trading. Let's see what's going on here with Ethereum as we get ready for a market open up. Looks like Ethereum just kind of moved down. That is the funniest part, right? Look at that. Ethereum moved right when NASDAQ moved.
Yeah.
That's what's so crazy is people really don't understand how connected the markets are now, right? Like it's
the correlation.
Well, everything is connected because it's all online. It's everybody's trading, everybody's looking. Some news comes out, the NASDAQ goes down, Bitcoin goes down. Ethereum, it all just like magically, the algorithm starts selling, and it's game on, baby. So, oh, getting closer and closer to the end of the year here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of just like ready for 2026 to start. Ready? It's like I don't want to make any more money this year, to be honest. Or taxes.
For tax purposes.
Yeah, for tax purposes. Like right now, I've got like a $60,000 payout with Take Profit Trader, and like I'm not gonna take it until next year, so I'll probably blow my account before then.
Well, I mean, you only got it. You only got 7 days.
Be like, what?
Yeah, you only got a few days.
I know. No, I gotta blow it, D. I can't handle it. I can't handle it. I gotta blow it. I can't handle it. Can't blow it. I love the duo. Hope to see more PW and D Money together. Well, I was thinking about 2026 will never be together. Separated. Separated. What's the Warbucks discount code? I believe it's BUX, Bucks. We got some giveaways. We got some action today. It's going to be a big day either way of fun. I'm just having a good old time. Victoria's got some planned for me today. I have no idea what it is, but...
Oh, nice.
Oh, God. I hope it's a big
surprise,
orgy.
Surprise.
I mean, a big... not
I
an
love
orgy.
you. I love you.
I love you. I love you. You gonna put me in a private jet. We gonna get to my high club. Do I have like... I looked over and Landon was eating a piece of candy. I thought he was putting a lipper in. Thought he took some of editor's Zen, started popping a lipper over there. He got a lipper going on.
Started early.
He's like, don't look at me, Dad. All right, so pulling up the chart here. Looking at the NASDAQ right now, 25,016 area. Kind of holding up there for now. We're getting ready for market open up. Patience, patience, patience. Sir, when you switch to the overview video, it has an echo. Oh, let me see. Yep. I see it. I see where it's happening. Sorry about that, guys. We're good now. Overview video should be good. Mic check, mic check, mic check. There was a problem there with my thingy-majiggy. Is this going to be like a continuation of this move down now? We got pushed up, got stuck there at those EMAs. Right? Got pushed up there to those EMAs. Kind of pulling back now. If it wasn't, I mean, if it was 9:45, I might take a short here.
Yeah.
But seeing that it's 8:50. It can't be that easy, right?
I mean, if we get below 25,615, guys, probably more of a drop coming. But yeah, we're going into, I mean, your 10 minutes before the hour closes.
Well, I mean,
so we'll have to kind of wait and see how we open up. It's gonna be interesting today, guys. Hopefully better price action than yesterday. That's for sure.
Well, I mean, other than that little drop right there, we didn't do much.
Yeah.
Since we walked away yesterday. We walked away yesterday around 12 o'clock, and the market went up like 50 points and went down 50 points. So it might be a very another just slow day, honestly. I like the people in the chat like, I don't trade the holiday markets. I'm like, bro, it's only the holiday markets like once a year. One of my top rules as a day trader, I have a number one rule for me is I never trade holiday markets. I've had that rule for the last 10 years, and it's helped me. It's protected me. It's made me a better trader. You know, consistency is key, D. Consistency. I made that a rule day one when I first started trading. I said I ain't gonna trade Christmas, and I will never do it. But clearly I am. So we're here. We're doing it live. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. Guys, there's a reason we the biggest and we the largest, right? We keep on delivering. We keep on winning. We keep on killing it. And we're out here just enjoying life, living the dream. It's happy, happy, happy. It's a merry Christmas. A merry Christmas for me. And then after the stream today, we actually have the video. We got the video for last Friday, behind the scenes. You guys saw the live stream video, but we got the actual video that the editor made and edited. We'll post that up later on after the stream, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and just get it ready to go here for after the stream, so you guys can check it out. The kind of actual video from day trading, sail fishing, live on YouTube. Me and D Money, we be out there, we be living.
Let's go.
So yeah, I'll set it for we're gonna cut this thing short today. I think 11:30 is when we walking away. D, I'm walking away about 11:30.
Good morning, PW and D Money. My pops is getting a full shoulder replacement done this morning. If you could keep him in your thoughts and prayers. Hey, yeah, I would definitely
a full shoulder replacement. How does that work?
Thoughts and prayers. I mean,
looking like it's like NASCAR. There's bolt a new shoulder on there. Take it off, put it on. You can see this is the video from Friday. The little teaser popping up later on today. Kind of see behind the scenes what it's like day trading, fishing with D Money. He's a living legend, man. He's out there trading, making money. They're trying to make a little bit of money. Catches his first sailfish, making a little bit of money, landing.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Jumping around there. Look at that thing. You can't. People didn't really see the sailfish jumping on the live stream because the camera's not very zoomed in. But yeah, we had 3 sailfish hooked up at the same time. D Money, Victoria. Then we had a sailboat almost run into us. This shit all happened live as well, so it was epic. But yeah, later on we'll post the video up, and you guys can watch. Maybe if it loads. My internet, it's slow internet here. It's so much fun. What a epic little experience to get 3 sailfish hooked up there, live on YouTube.
That was crazy, man.
Thousands of people watching. You gotta love it. Can we get a shout out for the Cali traders getting up at 5 a.m.? I honestly like the early mornings. Like whenever I'm out in Cali and I'm doing the off-road stuff,
yeah,
I love it. I'm all about it. I'm like, I like it because I can wake up, right? There's D Money getting it. Oh, he's jumping. Look at that fish D Money caught. Look at that thing. It's 6 foot long. D Money. And then I had a fucking 20 foot, 30, 40, 50 sailboat. But yeah, we'll post that video up later on today. If you guys didn't see the live stream, we had D Money catch his first sailfish live on YouTube. Big shout out to the D. Look at him. Oh, look at that grip. What in the fuck, Landon? What was that bottom grip? I never seen no one do it like that. Oh. Yeah, now you had it right. Was it like, could you feel like how big that, like when you're reeling?
Oh yeah.
It? Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. Hey, that thing is an experience, guys. I recommend it if you haven't done it before. Definitely cool to check that off the bucket list, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, but I was saying I prefer waking up early, day trading, and then being done sooner than I don't like, honestly, I don't really like the East Coast hours. I truly don't, because I wake up early. I'm up at 5 o'clock every morning.
You're an early riser, yeah.
And then it's like, now I gotta wait, 3 or 4 hours for the market to open, and then I'm like, just ready to get it over with. Like, I want to get it done.
Yeah.
Either fucking have a red day or a green day and call it, go, live my life. But on the West Coast, you wake up early. You can trade 6:30 a.m. and then be done by 9:30 a.m. And then go drive your trophy truck around in the desert. See, I feel like why wouldn't everybody want to live that life? We can all buy trucks and live in the desert, boys. Come on. Dude, I've been looking at some houses out in Arizona. I think I'm gonna get a house in Arizona because of the state. They got no state income tax.
Yeah,
See?
similar to
I'd be smart like that.
similar to Florida. Yeah.
Yeah. So there are some insane houses in Havasu. Lake Havasu is kind of. Anybody out in California? Are you in or Arizona? Are you anywhere near Havasu? Lake Havasu? Some of these houses, though, are just so fucking sick. And they're sick because they have huge garages. It's like a thing. It's a thing out there in Arizona. So look how sick this looks. So this is a house in Arizona, Lake Havasu. You can see the lake in the background there. How fucking sick is that? So you're in the desert, but you live on a lake.
Yeah.
And you got this huge garage. The back area. Oh, I can already see it. Me and D Money sitting right there, just chilling, looking out. Look at that thing. Oh my lord, the view.
Yeah,
How
that
sick
thing
is
is
that,
sick.
Landon?
Yeah, that thing is sick.
I mean, it's just like so different from Florida, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, no, I think it would be insane. What else is there? Oh yeah, just insane house. But I think really for me, the garage is my favorite part. Like, look at the fucking garage. Look, it's got a little office inside the garage. I can make it into my day trading area.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, it's set. I'm in. Look at that view. Oh my god. Like, I already see it. I can already envision it.
Yeah.
I can already envision it. Me being right there, living the dream. All right, so the NASDAQ just hold up there, 25,000, 630 area. I was talking to D Money earlier, right? If you look at the daily candle, we kind of pulled back already a little bit, but that daily candle, well, ooh, did it just drop 15 points right there? Yeah, wow. Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
I was looking at that. Yeah, look at that. Okay, something wild's happening.
Going into that 9
What
o'clock.
the fuck? Right into the 9 o'clock.
Yeah, 9 o'clock.
Yeah, that was wild. I opened up the daily chart and just saw it drop 20 points. So I'm like, what? Volatility. But basically what we're looking at here is the high of this Friday candle is 600. The low of yesterday's candle obviously was 628. So we had a bit of a gap there still, and it kind of looks like we're filling that gap here now. So I would say this could play out to be kind of a bull flag up here, right? Could be that bull flag setup. Maybe we kind of channel here for a minute, and then after the holidays, we break out to the upside and go for new highs.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes that Santa Claus rally can come in January, honestly. It just depends. It really comes down to like how much we consolidate here, right? If we consolidate here for a while and we're just like not really making that big move up or down, well then that we know what that means. More consolidation, more chance of big move, as they say. That's what they say around the world. God, I gotta. I'm over here just looking at houses in Lake Havasu. I gotta stop. Get me off the internet. Oh my god, look at these houses. I don't know why they look so cool. And the funny part is, like, they're not, like, they look cool, but they're not like overly pricey. Like this house right here, it's only $4 million. $4 million. In Florida, a $4 million house is like a fucking crack shack. Especially on the water.
Yeah.
What do you think? You think you live in Fort Lauderdale for forever, or you gotta?
I mean, not sure. I mean, I probably
don't want to give everybody all the plans, right?
Yeah, you can't give them all the plans.
Can't let them know everything that's happening.
Yeah.
I mean, ideally, if you had everything that you could want, or just like perfect scenario with your daughter and just everything,
yeah.
Would you like to be maybe in Fort Mont? Would you like to be back on the West Coast, or you like it East Coast here in Florida?
I like the East Coast. I like the East Coast of Florida better than the West Coast, just because there's a lot more stuff going on, a lot of stuff you can get into. You know, even with your daughter, there's so much more stuff to do on this coast. I wouldn't mind, like, I mean, Cali's nice. Like the West Coast out there is nice.
Yeah.
Georgia, man. Like
Georgia.
there's some.
Okay.
There's some. Yeah, you can
Yeah,
get.
yeah.
you
No,
see-
there's some spots. There's cool spots in Georgia.
Yeah.
I have some friends who live in Georgia.
Yeah.
Got big houses. I mean, the cool thing about Georgia, you can fucking buy a mansion for nothing.
Yeah. You got a nice change of season.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what I mean? Something
Georgia
like that
boy.
too.
All right.
So
You got
depends.
any plans for your daughter to like play a sport? Maybe put her in golf or something. You know, what do you think?
I'm gonna try. I mean, whatever she likes. I mean, I'll.
No. Don't trust me. That ain't how it works. Trust me. No. Ask Landon. You think he liked fishing before he started fishing? No.
Yeah,
he didn't even
you
know how
gotta,
to
like-
fish. Right there.
She gotta
your kid's
try
gonna
everything.
do whatever you basically like put him into,
Yeah.
to a certain extent, obviously. But
Yeah, I'm gonna.
I would find the sport that pays the most.
Yeah, I know, right?
WNBA? Nah.
Nah, they don't. Yeah, they're actually in the middle of like trying to
they
negotiate.
negotiating right now?
Yeah, they're
Oh,
trying to do
shit.
that collective bargaining.
They're like, listen, we want to get paid our equal share. And they're
Yeah.
like, all right, listen. So your equal share of $100 million loss is $2 million loss. They're like, pay up. They're like, no, not that kind of share. We just want the money. Well, we don't make no money. Sorry, honey.
Yeah, so we'll see.
All right, I like it.
You can get tickets for $30 a piece. Yeah, you right. You right. You right.
Yeah, if I was doing a live event, I would charge more than $30 for a ticket. That's my flex. It's my life flex. I would charge more than a WNBA basketball game. Not bad. If you ride a motorcycle, move to California. Splitting lanes is legal. Wait, it's not legal in Florida?
Yeah, I know, right?
I split lanes in my Raptor all the time. It's a little wide to do it, but just wait. The M3, you know? Wing, wing, wing. That's the problem in Florida. There's always so much fucking traffic and it's so shitty, the roads and everything. And all of my cars are just like way too fast. It's like they're not. It's just like I hate driving. I told yesterday we went to Fort Lauderdale and I was telling Victoria, I'm like, I'm never going to Fort Lauderdale ever again. I'm done. I'm not driving nowhere no more.
Well, remember,
it's PDH to my house and back.
Remember, it's even worse right now because of season, right? You got a lot of people down here because of the holiday break.
Fucking
so
Winterbird,
it's worse. Yeah, it's worse than it
Snowbirds.
normally is. Because even for me, I'm like, man, I'll just walk downtown because it's no need to drive. Like right now, it's packed. It's crazy, man.
Get you one of those scooters you can ride back and forth
I know,
from
right?
PDH to the
I know,
Fort
right?
Lauderdale. Someone's gonna see D Money rolling down 95 on a scooter. Someone said, "Is this a trading channel?" Nope. This is actually a talk show. It's called one brother with the ginger brothers.
Oh man.
I love it. I mean, the market's not moving. I love when people like get upset that we're not trading when it's not. Like, nothing's happening.
Guys, the markets that we
What
have.
are you gonna do right here? You gonna go long, short? Like, if you go long, I'll go short. One of us is gonna be right, but I guarantee one of us is also gonna be wrong. So.
Yeah.
Oh, two brothers from different mothers. Amen, brother. You supposed to be eating candy for breakfast, sir? Are you supposed to eat candy for breakfast? Parents out there, do you let your kids eat candy for breakfast? Landon loves eating candy for breakfast. And he's got a liquid death. Oh, man. I'm a terrible parent. I don't know. Just having a tea. Got vitamins. That's what I tell people. It's got vitamins in it. Aggravate. Yes. Aggravation. No, that's agave. That was a good attempt though. Aggravate. Yeah, you did. Agave. No, okay, agave. You said agave. Nah, it's agave. Agave, sir.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. This is a Jerome shirt, guys. Free Jerome. He's locked up again, guys.
All proceeds of the shirt will go towards freeing Jerome from jail. BigDickHouse.com for all the latest and greatest apparel. People don't believe me, but it's a real place. Just don't look at the website when there's people around. You might be a little confused. But if you head on over there to Sorry, to BigDickHouse.com, the official store of Patrick Wieland. I don't know if it's up there yet. Let's see. Little Filipino man might be slacking, honestly. He might be. Nah, I think he's slacking. Little Filipino man slacking. Man, I gotta hire some new workers that aren't Filipinos. People be like, Patrick, man, you put a lot of confidence in that Filipino man. I'm like, well, you know, if he can't do it, who can? All right, Nasdaq. I think that gap fill looks like it's coming. It's what a wild little like choppy little thing down here. That 858 candle looks wild, and then just kind of still chopping around there. So we got plenty of time here till market opens. We are pulling back here. We just dumped from the 670s down there to the 600s. Another little pushback up there again off the 610s. Still got about 22 minutes here till market opens. So let's see what happens. Right now, Ethereum kind of pushing back up there. We were talking about Warbucks, BTC. Right now, it's 50% off the one-step accounts. If you're thinking about, you know, you want to trade during the holidays, well, cryptocurrency's moving, and you can trade Ethereum, Bitcoin, all the top crypto there at Warbucks. Right now, I think you can get an account for like 25 bucks. 25 bucks for the 5K one-step account. So, not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. And Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is back with 40% off all accounts. No activation fee. Use the code PW. Hey. All right. We're getting fired up here. If you're just now tuning in, you probably missed out on my little gift that I got earlier. Check this bad boy out. It's a portrait.
Yeah, that
portrait.
Thing is money.
Put that on the wall, baby. Put it on top of my McLaren. So, the BDH, baby. Even Ethereum's looking like a bear flag there. We got giveaways going on today as well. So if you haven't already signed up, onlyprofirms.com. We just send out the emails with the codes for free accounts and stuff like that, and all the latest deals, the hottest deals, the best deals, and just deals. Basically, you know, if it's like, it's just a deal, you know, just deals, man. I kind of want to get short here on Ethereum. Kind of want to get short on Ethereum. I'm trying to put a little short here. I don't know if I'll get filled or not. Just 5. It is looking like a bear flag here. All right, we're trading on the Warbucks BTC platform. It's basically DX trade. Oh, come on. Come on. Pop me. I got my limit order to sell right there at the 46s, and then I'll put my stop basically like maybe a little like up here above the 60 area. All right, we are filled. I'm gonna put my stop now up there. Right when I get filled, it just pops again. You gotta love it. Gotta love when that when you chase the price down to get filled, and then it pops up anyway, and you're like, fuck, should have just waited. All right, so we got a short there on Ethereum for now. Kind of looking like a bear flag. If it sells down here, follows the NASDAQ at open, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that, they've been definitely loving to follow. When the NASDAQ sells off, you get a nice move here. So let's see what happens. Obviously not financial advice. We got a VWAP up there on the NASDAQ, 25,675s. Looks like, what's funny again today, looks like the ES is just kind of not following the NASDAQ, in the sense that, you know, the ES right now is kind of still inside yesterday's 15-minute range. The NASDAQ's below the 15-minute range. What does that mean? I don't know. We're going to find out. By the way, it's the last and final day. I believe the last day for now for 80% off Apex with those current PA discounts. So if you're interested in checking out Apex, they're on sale. Everybody's on sale, making the deals. Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Oh, Christmas time. We got Tradeify with deals. We got Take Profit Trader. We've got Lucid. We've got Warbucks. We've got Apex. All the greatest, the latest, the biggest, the largest, the top, the tippity, top. All right.
Yeah, Apex is 80% off, guys. 80% off. Somebody's asking, they're trying to inquire what the promotion is right now. 80% off, but today's the last day.
It says on their website. It'll say on their
website.
It'll say on their homepage on their website exactly what the deal is.
Yep.
So, I'm still short here on Ethereum, looking for a move down, maybe even lower, down into this 920 area. We're basically, well, I think we're just kind of watching. I want this bear flag to play out and to sell down there on Ethereum here. So that's my plan. You gonna trade today? I don't know. Trade today, bro. You want to trade today, Landon? Landon wants to trade today. Trade it up, man. May the odds be in your favor, sir. All right, my short is working. Thing is moving down. We're in the green. I'm short here from the 2,947 on Ethereum. Looking to see if we can't get this little move on down.
So I saw a question in the chat. Somebody said, are we concerned that our strategy is going to change if the market goes 24 hours?
No. Why
no.
would it change?
Yeah, it's not going to change.
I mean, the market's basically 24 hours already.
Mm-hmm.
You're
just got a 1 hour.
We're talking about like stocks.
Yeah.
I think the majority of the volume, no matter what, will always stay between 9:30. You know, the actual New York open.
Stock market time.
Right,
Yeah.
9:30 open will always be the important time to watch. So I don't think, no matter what happens, I still think that like is all, I don't know, it's always gonna be there, right? Like I remember when they started making it so you could trade earlier and earlier. You know, trading, like some of the brokers would allow you to trade at like 4 a.m. And it's not like the market changes. It's just because there's not a lot of volume there.
Mm-hmm.
I remember like when I was trading small caps, I would try to trade at like 4 o'clock in the morning and there'd be like 500 shares traded. You know, and you're like, some guy sitting there on the book with a massive fucking sell order, and there's no way you're gonna get through it, and it's just like that ain't gonna happen. So, all right, come on, here we go. Ethereum starting to move back down here now. Had a little bit of a push up, now pulling back. So we are short here from the 47s. See if we get a move down here. Looks really good right now. I like it. We're in the green. We're in the green, baby. Oh, come on. Just fucking, you know what would be so nice right now if it just goes right to your target. That would just, oof. This is the 5-minute chart, by the way. I try to not go below the 5-minute chart on crypto. It's like I really try to look at like the 15-minute chart for my setups.
Yeah.
And then try to really stay, you know, on those bigger time frames and kind of believing like, okay, if we break through this 937 area, we've got some previous consolidation down there, 920s. That's kind of the way I look at it, right? Looks really good right now, though. Come on. Move it down. We're up 10 points right now already on this short. $50 right now. This is, like I said, only 5 coins. You don't need to go crazy. The best thing about Warbucks is there is no profit target, guys. You only have to make a minimum of $100 total to get a payout. You got the 33% consistency rule to think about, but other than that, it's gravy train, baby. Gravy train. We get a lot of people getting payouts, a lot of traders around the world. I think we paid out close to $300,000 now. That's right, $300,000 out of my bank account. I'm broke. Sorry, D, I can't pay you no more. Everybody got the payouts on Warbucks. So, we'll see what happens here with crypto, if we can get that move down. Right now, looking at the NASDAQ, just sitting there at that pivot point for now. Pivot point there at the 25,615. So what we were kind of talking about earlier is this level, right? This is that close from Friday. We have not officially closed that gap. Like officially, you know, officially. So the $1 million question now will be, do we fill it officially? What are you looking at, D? I always feel like we're probably looking at the same thing.
Yeah, I'm
right.
looking at
I
the
mean,
same thing.
people are like, "Oh, what D? What do you think?" I'm like,
Nah.
I'm thinking the same thing.
Yeah, right now it's the same thing, guys. Like, I mean, I mean, we're pretty close to that. We're right at that kind of gap level, 600 level. We're pretty close to it. We're hanging out there. So this gonna kind of spark, you know, kind of spike us back the opposite direction. I'm not sure. I mean, I hate to say it, but this is a kind of wait and see how the market kind of opens up, and then try to join in the direction of the momentum. That's all we
What
can
you gonna do at open?
Wait.
You gonna trade the first 1 minute candle?
I know, right?
D Money, are you gonna short at open?
I know, it's crazy.
Are you gonna long at open? Which one are you gonna do? I need to know.
So on the 15-minute chart, guys, we're hanging out right above the 200 EMA. So that's a little interesting as well, because that's typically a strong support area, if you want to call it that. So we're kind of hanging out right above it, and it's kind of sitting at 25,600. So that's a little interesting as well. So it'll be, I mean, we'll see. We'll see how we open up, and then and then we'll try to join the momentum, guys, in either direction. PW trades the 9 and 21. He has a 9 and 21 EMA on his chart. Any suggestions of what you would do when you blow your 13 funded account? Yeah, try to slow down a little bit, right? That's all you can do is slow down and try to reflect on what happened. Maybe you were trading too much size, or you weren't waiting for your A+ setup, right? You got to have an A+ setup. If you got an A+ setup, now it's just about kind of waiting for it to set up, right? And that's easier said than done, because a lot of times you're like in front of your laptop or wherever you're trading, and you're like, oh, I got to pay myself, right? I've been in front of the chart for 30 minutes or an hour, and I haven't taken a trade. So
Close your eyes, D-Money. I'm getting naked. Close your eyes. Don't look, D.
oh man.
D-Money, don't look. Why are you looking? He's looking, Chad.
Oh man.
I'm butt ass naked right now. Hold on.
What's my A+ setup?
Oh.
Trying to get it in the direction of momentum, guys, right? EMA cross, bullish or bearish EMA cross with momentum, and I'm trying to follow that. That's an A+ setup. Trending, right? Higher highs, higher lows, as an example. Trending market. So that's when the best price action apparent for a momentum trader. You want a trendy market where price is like putting in higher highs and higher lows, and you want to join in on a momentum, as an example. Like yesterday was a choppy market. We were ranging, so you have to try to trade the range. That's a little bit more difficult. No, there's no afternoon stream, guys. No afternoon stream today. Yeah, I use the 5-minute chart as well. Yeah, so 1 hour, 4 hour, and then going down to the 5-minute chart looking for an entry. So we'll see how this first 5-minute candle kind of opens up. If there's momentum before that, then like we'll have to see. It's got to be patient.
Yeah, but what are you going to do at open? Sir, what are you going to do when the market opens? I need to know now. What the real question is, what are you going to do at 10 o'clock?
I know, right?
Are you going to long or short at 10?
Yeah.
I don't know why you're laughing at me, because this is a real question, D. I need to understand. What are you doing? I give it to someone special.
Yeah, you're getting a little reaction now.
A little push back up.
Yeah.
A little pump before the dump at open. Yeah. Just kidding. I don't know. Is bright. Bright as the sea. No, I won't be afraid. Stay by me, darling, darling. This is my song. I sing this D Money every morning. Stand by me. Oh. All right, we still got plenty of time here till market opens. About 6 minutes now. 6 minutes. By me. Oh. By me. Oh. All right, so I mean, what I'm thinking is we have that very small gap to the downside. So basically, like 600 level, exactly 25,600. I mean, do they get it this close and then pop it back up? We'll see. So. PW, is Nutty Bar coming in? Yeah, I think so. Just kind of planning it out. It's hard right now with the holidays and everything, but I would say, January probably expect to have Nutty Bar at the BDH. All right. Right now, NASDAQ here at the 640s. You got a pivot point there, 615s. Which way are we going? Up, down, all around? It's the $1 million question, my friends. A lot of people want to know. Patrick, what's going to happen? I don't know. I wish I knew. If only I had all the answers, D, I'd be a lot richer. But that's trading, you know? What's funny is it's always the days where you think that you have a really good, like, oh, I have a solid plan, right? I'm gonna short when it gets to 650. I'm gonna cover at 600, and then you short at 650 and it goes to 680. And you're like, damn it. So, like you said earlier, you just gotta trade the momentum, trade what you see, not what you think. And we're getting ready here, dude. I swear to God. Hello? Hello? Hey, Katie, is there any way you can stop calling me? I've gotten fucking 20 calls a day from you guys. I love you. I really do. I hope you have a magical Christmas, but you just gotta stop calling me. Please. Thank you. God, Sirius XM, bro. I buy like all these different cars and stuff, and they just fucking call me every time I buy.
Oh, man. They're savages.
5 times a day.
Yeah.
It's like, dude, leave me alone.
Yeah. Yeah.
If I didn't answer the first time, I ain't gonna answer the 20th time.
Yeah, they don't play. They trying to get that Christmas money.
Crazy. I don't get it. I don't fucking want Sirius XM, dude. Who in the fuck listens to Sirius XM? I see no reason. Like, why would you need to have Sirius XM at this point? Somebody.
Yeah, you get a nice little pump.
All right, we're getting ready here for a market open. Little pump up here. Let's see what happens. You never know. It's time. Little Christmas special. We got giveaways. We got fun. We got action. Let's see what happens here at open. Got about a minute and a half now. Little pump up. Uh-oh. Short at 650, cover at 600. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I promise D-Money listens to Sirius XM in his electric car. He might. Nah. He might. He ain't got an electric car yet, though. He dreaming about it, though. He dreaming. He trying to get that 10,000 viewers next year and get that free car.
Let's go.
Let Jerome out the Ferrari. No, we locked him in there. He good. He good. He's sleeping right now. He's sleeping. It's too early for Jerome. We got a minute left here, chat. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 fucking minute to decide if we're gonna be rich or poor this Christmas. Landon, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to buy you Christmas presents if I don't make money today. So you better pray, son. You better pray that your daddy makes some money today. I don't see you praying. I see you playing games, not praying. You need to be praying. Pray, pray, pray. All right, 30 seconds. Nvidia skyrocketing, somebody said. Uh-oh. Nvidia skyrocketing. Yeah, Nvidia gapped up pretty big today. About 3 or 4 points to the upside right now. So, all right. It's interesting because Nvidia. Or wait, no, that was sorry. I didn't have the after hours. The short. Yeah, definitely not. No bueno, sir. No bueno. There's the pump.
There's the pump.
I'm gonna try to ride this momentum up through this 680 level next. Trying to like add into this and then just sell all up into this push here. Right there at the VWAP now. See, they're gonna fill that gap to the upside, 690s. Beautiful. Sometimes you just gotta jump in, man. Sometimes you just gotta jump in there. All right, NASDAQ all the way up there to the pivot point now. 25,700. Holy guacamole. Yeah. That was wild. Still pushing 720s now. Can we go, how high do they go? 727s? I took another long here. See if we can get that continuation. Crazy breakout. Gonna try to trail this some. Put my stop or put my target higher. Trying to trail now. Still breaking. If we get 34s, we get out. Perfect. Wow. Wow. Wow, D.
Yeah, she pumping.
There we go. Congratulations.
Yeah, that's a quick. Yep.
Straight
nice
to
little
the
scalp,
fucking
guys.
moon. Straight to the moon there. Let's go, boys. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. Now we just wait for the next setup here. We just broke, well, we still got a little bit more for the overnight high.
Mm-hmm.
The whole market right now just ramped up there. Now I want to see what happens on this pullback. If we're going to, like, get a nice pullback, kind of build out a bull flag here before going higher.
Yeah, this is what we wanted yesterday, guys. It's funny how that works.
That's the pass the eval candle right there.
Mm-hmm.
Amen. That's a good one. That's a good one right there, boys.
Pretty much like a 100-point move.
What was that? Yeah, 100 points
Yeah.
from the fucking 640s to the. You gotta love it.
Yeah.
You gotta love it. Everybody got all like, oh, we're gonna crash. We're gonna crash.
Yeah. 15-minute candle, guys. So that 200 EMA was it held up nicely. So if we're gonna go higher, guys, I mean, we talked about this yesterday because we were kind of thinking about longs if it played out. So that 800 level, like 860, we talked about yesterday, and then if it breaks that, maybe 26,000. So let's see what happens here. I mean, you got a nice pullback.
If we get back above 700 here, I'm gonna take another long. Pulling back here. Back to the VWAP again. I'm gonna try a long here. Try to like add into this a little bit. Try to put some size on here, maybe, huh? Or we just get that reaction. Sometimes you just take those reaction trades like that. I'll get it if I can get 20 points. I'll take it there at 715. All right, we got long when we dip below 700. We got another target to kind of get out at 715. If not, I might try to keep on like play this safe, or play it aggressively to kind of add into this area, depending on the price action. But if we do get that little like straight pop back up, we're right here at this pivot point. There's a pivot point right there at the 705s. So just flirting with it. 715s. All right, now I'm going to move this target up higher. Now that we're just like consolidating there, give it a little bit more room. See if we can get towards that 720 area here. That was what, almost 715s. Playing with my heart. All right, I'm moving my target like right below 720s. I don't like the fact that we're like putting in that wick right there. So we want to see us get through that last wick. There we go. All right, come on. Give me that 20 points. 20 points. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Don't worry, Landon. Daddy can buy you presents now. You buying your own presents? You made some trades?
Nice.
Man, Landon's making money. I'm making money. Let's go. What are you doing, D? You making money?
Yeah, I'm up 600 per account.
I like that. I'm still short on Ethereum, by the way. Ethereum, a little bit of a pop back up, but I'm not gonna get out of it until well, I get stopped. I'd have to get stopped above that 64 level. You can see we're kind of like a little pushback up here. So I'm still short on Ethereum for now. On Warbucks, right now Warbucks is 50% off. That's $25 for an account, for the 5K account. So shout out to Warbucks. Right now the Nasdaq's still pushing.
Yeah, longs are good, guys, as long as we're above all EMAs as well. 1450 and the 200 on a 5-minute chart. So as long as we hold the 200, which is at 25,687, longs are in play, guys.
There's that 720 push. I'm trying this long again.
Yeah, I just got the
720 push to get through the 740s, possibly more.
Yep.
Stop. I basically don't want it to get back below 720s here. Or 700s, sorry, 700s. Can we ride this momentum here? Maybe even try to add another one here.
I can't show my screen, Chicken Trader. PW screen's up.
What's his problem?
He wants me to show my screen.
Don't worry, Daddy's here. You're okay, boys. You don't need D money right now. Just let Daddy do his thing. I'm trying to make some money, all right? All right, still kind of stuck there, 720s. We start pushing. I'm going to add into this and then try to sell everything into that 760 push. All right, I want to see that. I like that little pushback up here. Let's get some more momentum to get through my 724 area. And then, like I said, we're going to try to add into that push above 724s. No reason to like add to like this pullback here unless it like gives us a setup here. But right now, just kind of waiting. I'm going to actually move my stops down below this candle just to give it a little bit more room. And then, like I said, just kind of, I want to put on a bigger trade here. So, waiting to see like a reason for me to add here. Like it would be if we break 700 and then swipe it right back up, maybe then I'll add at that level. There's 700s again. Still not much of a wick there. Nvidia is kind of flagging right now, so we need Nvidia to go through 184.50 area would be ideal, obviously. Holding 700s again. All right, come on. Let's see. I want to see that like bulls are stepping in here off that EMA, right? That's gonna make us happy to see like that right there. Right back up. Come on. Let's push through 725s. We're gonna add into this, right? Our idea here is we're going to add to the momentum. So if we break through this high, right, we're breaking through this kind of area here. We're looking to add into that and then sell into 760, maybe 780s. There's a pivot point at 781 to the upside there. So that's what we want to see. And you might be like, Patrick, why don't you add right here? Well, the reason I don't want to add right here, because if we lose 700s and we pull back and then just stop me out, I'd rather get stopped out with smaller size than larger size. So it's kind of like add into the confirmation of the move. Getting real tight here either way. Looking at Nvidia, I need Nvidia to push. We get through 184.50 on Nvidia. 185 should be pretty easy. She's getting real tight, D.
Yeah.
You excited? You excited, D? Come on. Make or break moment here. It can't just range again today, right? It can't, right?
No, I mean, you had a nice breakout to the upside.
Come on,
so I
man.
think that continuation would be obviously ideal. So
the market makers are keeping us down. The blue line of death right here. The ES is actually breaking out. Broke the 5-minute range high so far. But just kind of slowing down. They're gonna dip this down, stop me out, and then make that run. Nvidia having some trouble over there for now. 184.50s. Ugh. Might have been a little bit too aggressive on that entry there, but I think the trade still is in play. Landon, never mind. No more Christmas for you, son. No more Christmas, Landon. Gotta return your bike, actually. When your bike comes today, don't open the box. We need to return it. I just lost everything. It's over. The end is near. Oh, no, we're back. Never mind. Keep the bike. ES is really going here. ES is pushing nicely. I think we get through 725. I think we'll go, baby. So, here we go. There goes the NVIDIA push above 184.50s. I'm just going to go ahead and add right there. Just get this party started and try to get this pump going here. It's make or break moment. If we can get through this level, that blue line on the chart, take us higher. Can you take me higher? Oh, wow. Blue line of death. Blue line of death. NVIDIA got stuck at the 184.50s again. Why you gotta do that to me like that? Why you gotta do that to me like that, NASDAQ? Ugh. Even fucking Ethereum just chopping there.
$15-minute range. You got 2 minutes left.
Come on, baby girl. Be nice to me. Be nice to me, NASDAQ. It's my birthday. Maybe it's my birthday. I don't know. Maybe I wasn't born when I thought I was. Maybe I'm an alien. Who knows? Oh, my God. NVIDIA trying to come back from the 184.50. Come on. So tight. This, if we go hot, if we break out here,
yeah,
there's 50
860.
points to the upside all day.
I think 860 will
860.
probably be, yeah.
Okay, that's 100 points.
Yeah, that's
Over
that
100
because that's the level that
Yeah. Oh, that's
kind of sitting up there.
Yeah,
on
yeah.
the 4-hour
Okay,
chart.
I like
Yeah.
that. Pray for me, chat. Come on, hit that like button if you haven't already. Daddy's trying to make a little bit of money. Help me put my son through college. He's going to the College of Hard Knocks. Got to go fishing twice a week, clean the boat. All right, we're pushing.
Yeah.
I like it. Just want to get away from that blue line now, you know? Looks really good. Looks really good. Don't be afraid to take profit, by the way. It is Christmas time. 10 points pays the bills. 20 points makes you happy. 30 points fucking gets you going wild. Give me 100 points, I'll fucking get naked. 740's trying to push. The ES already broke out to the upside. The NASDAQ trying to push through the 740s here. We've got NVIDIA pushing up there, 180, almost 185s now. So let's see. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now, NASDAQ. Oh. All right, 15-minute range is set.
Yeah, 15-minute ORB set, guys.
Patience. Patience, children. Patience. Got stuck right there at the 740s again. La 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 la. La 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 la. Matt of Trade said he made a little bit of money. Ooh, I know D Money likes hearing that. People making a little bit of money.
Yeah, we just need it to go, guys. That's the thing at this point, right? You don't want it back at the 200 EMA. It's above all the EMAs. They're very well spread apart. So you kind of want the momentum to kind of pick up here and take us above 800. Which is basically the highs that we're kind of, I think 860 or higher, right? If they're gonna really push it, but 800 is immediate level, like to the left. When you look to the left on the chart, it's kind of sitting up there. There you go. There you go.
Not yet. Not yet. Need more.
Yeah, my TP is 796.
796. There you go. That boy good.
See if we can get it.
Is Jerome gonna get bailed out for Christmas, man? Well, not if we don't get 1,000 likes here on the stream. We got 5,000 people watching. 5,300.
Yeah.
Guys, we're doing this live, by the way. This is all happening live. We're not doing this in hindsight. We're not making videos telling you how we made money. We're showing you.
Yeah,
we're
guys.
showing you while you're here with us doing it. Come on. You know? Come on, chat. Support us, supporting you. I help you, you help me. Looks really good.
Yeah, it looks good.
Just got to keep it going. The ES is kind of ramping up here. NASDAQ's trying to push. Looking to lock in a little bit of profit up here at this 50 area.
So this is what you want to see, guys. Higher highs and higher lows. So if you're a lower time frame trader, more than likely like 1 minute chart, 2 minute chart, that's probably the pattern you see right now. Higher highs being put in, you get a retracement.
Push through the 15-minute range.
And then a push back up higher.
I'm actually going to add right there on that pullback.
These are Lucid accounts, that Lucid Flex accounts, guys.
Oh, just flirting with going. Son of a bitch. Back to the 720s again. I don't like that, but let's see. Just sticking to the plan here, boys. Fuck. The chop. Back down there into the 700s. I'm going to add one more time here. And then my final stop is going to be 700. If we can't hold 700, I'll just get out and I can always re-enter. So. Just needs to push from here, basically, off of that EMA. If you look at the EMAs right now, this is what I'm looking at on the 1 minute chart, right? We pulled back into that EMA on the 2 minute chart. We pulled back into the the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart. So looking to see if we can't get some continuation here to the upside there now. Off of that 21 EMA, we want to go. Get through this 40 area again. Should start get a little better move. Show some squeeze happening there.
Yeah.
I mean, guys, I have no idea if it's going to go higher. So if I get stopped out, if this blows up my account, whatever happens, that's on me. Don't risk your own money because some idiot on YouTube is long right now. You might be better off shorting here. I don't know. So just please, obviously, never financial advice. I have no idea what I'm doing. Please don't copy. Please don't copy. I know you're going to copy either way, but don't copy. Take profit early. Don't be greedy. I was up almost $10,000. I could have taken profit there, but I didn't. And now you can see what happens. So don't do it. Ugh. We got the 10 o'clock candle coming up here. Like I said,
10 o'clock news as well. Consumer confidence.
Fuck. Yeah, I don't know, guys. This could be bad. It's not good. Straight back down. We got the VWAP. I'm going to give it a little bit of time here. Again, this is not financial advice. Please don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing. Straight back down there. Fucking A. I don't know. What am I supposed to do there? You know, it pushes up, gets stuck, pulls back to the VWAP again. I got greedy. That's all it is. It's always it's always the greedy trades that get you. You know, if I would have stuck to the plan, taken that push up there to the 750s, I would have been fine. But I got greedy, so. Sucks to suck, but it is what it is. Being up 10K and then letting it go red is crazy. I mean, you're never going to make a lot of money if you take a small profit on every trade, guys. I took the trade. I had a plan. It didn't work out, so it is what it is. I did have a short on Ethereum. I made money on Ethereum short. So I showed that earlier with you guys. I was short there on Ethereum. I shorted here before market open at 29.47. Covered down there at 29.19. So what a move. What a move. We made money on crypto but lost money on the NASDAQ. Ugh. Yeah, no, she just gonna chop on down there now. Classic. Sorry, chat. Back to the VWAP now. VWAP's got to hold. If you can't hold the VWAP, she gone. So let's see what happens now with that VWAP. Fuck. She gone. All right, we're out of the long. Obviously, back below 700, just couldn't hold there, so just chopping it right back down. It is what it is. The chop is real. Fucking A. Sucks. I hate when that happens. Chop is real. Just to pull back there. Now. Oh, now it's gonna bounce. This will be the bounce. Are you fucking kidding me? Hey. Pulls back to the VWAP. Bounces. Pushes back up. Classic. Just couldn't get any continuation out of this move up there. So we pushed up 740s, got stuck. The high from yesterday was 790. I was kind of thinking we could go for that high from yesterday. Maybe, you know, at least like 760s. I don't know. Moral of the story, got greedy. And yeah. We got a little bit of news coming out here. MRC trades. Bro, you thought wrong. All right. I'm sorry. I'm never gonna recover.
Yeah, so I'm waiting to see how this news candle kind of comes out, guys, because that might be the spark to kind of push us back to the upside. We held the 200 EMA, so I'm kind of watching that. We just bounced basically off of it on the 5-minute chart.
Just still holding up here. We got news coming out soon, in 50 seconds. So. I love like people in the chat, like some guy, if you didn't make money in that trade, it's because you didn't fucking manage it right. Okay. Sorry. We're below that pivot point there. Stuck now, 680s, pulling back, obviously. So, it's going to be another chop day. Choppity chop day.
Yeah, it came back 89.1 actual versus 91.7 expected, guys. So a little bit lower. So that could be more momentum coming to the downside, actually. So the 15-minute range, we're still inside the 15-minute ORB. The low of it is basically like 25,000, like 638. So I'm kind of watching because if we're back below all the EMAs on a 5-minute chart as well, right? So if this 5-minute candle kind of closes below, then we're probably going to take out the lows below 600.
The lows below. Lows no.
I took a short and I'm getting really greedy.
You took a short? You're getting real greedy, Landon said?
Yeah, because I'm up like,
How much you up?
I'm up like 30 points right
You're up 30 points?
Yeah.
Where are you short from?
Short from the 90s.
What the fuck?
And I added, so I have 9 contracts. And
You got 9 contracts?
Yeah, and I'm writing it down.
And you're writing it down?
I had my sales at like 650, 660, 640 around there.
Well, goddamn, Junior.
I keep lowering them.
Goddamn, Junior.
I think
I took a short there as well at the 677s. We're up $1,000 per account in those Take Profit Trader Pro Plus accounts. So looks like it's still kind of just down there to the opening range again. Ba-da-ba-bum-bum. Opening range low is 638. Still going lower.
oh, yeah, that's going.
Oh, it's going, he said.
Made a lot on that.
You made a lot on that?
Yeah. I was down like 700, now I'm up 300.
Let's go. All right. Well, we're down to the bottom of the range. $15-minute candles holding up there. The fucking, we took out the top of the 15-minute range, the bottom of the 15-minute range. So,
Oh, that was good.
that was good.
Yeah.
Happy with that?
I had like 3 trades and I made like 50 points on each.
You little legend, you. You little legend. Pine Tree, can I pay Landon to pass my evals? Yeah, pass mine.
Pine Tree, what up, man?
I mean, I think I just, the moral of that long was the fact of just should have gotten out once we basically broke back below that 720 area. I think I was just kind of getting greedy thinking that we would get that VWAP bounce, but obviously did not get that VWAP bounce. So we got out, and that was kind of, it is what it is. So sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. And that's literally just trading, guys. Every day, it's the same shit, but just a different day. All right, we're down here at the bottom of the range now. So the question is, do we start to sell again? Or sell down from here, I guess, is the question. Like, it's not gonna bounce here and go back to the top of the range, right?
I know, right?
Right? It ain't gonna do that,
it's
right?
at the bottom of the range.
Right? D-Money has not taken a loss, and your son has taken no loss today. Brian, Landon even said he was in the red earlier. So relax,
Guys, man,
bro.
chat.
God.
So, yeah, the daily low, guys, previous daily candles low, we kind of bounced right off of it, right? 25,628. So, I'm expecting some kind of reaction here to the upside. Trying a quick long, guys. Just scalping. Because we bounced right off the daily level, guys. 25,628. And there you go, right?
She's bouncing. Just holding up down here at the lows now. Will the range play out? Chop it back up again? Looking like a bear flag here on the 2-minute chart, but right there at the bottom of the range, it's a scary place to get short if they're going to chop this back up. I think maybe if they lose 640s, it makes a new low. Just holding there at the 640s. And right back up again. So let's see what happens with these EMAs again. You got a VWAP there at the 89s.
Yeah, when you look 4-hour chart, guys, previous 4-hour candle has a nice bottom wick on it. And this candle basically is reacting right off the 214 EMA back to the upside. So it's forming like a bottom wick. So just kind of, when you look at the 4-hour chart, that's why that long that I was talking about probably had a high probability of getting some kind of bounce, even if it's not obviously like a full reversal. You got a long wick on the previous 4-hour candle as well on the bottom.
Push to the EMAs, got stuck.
So yeah, the hard part on this, like, because the overall trend is, the momentum is, I mean, you've had a push to the upside and you had a retracement back, right? So the 14 EMA was pretty much there, guys, at like 670. So on the 5-minute chart, that was a 14 EMA. So now you're getting reaction back down.
There's the bear flag playing out. If they break through 640 strong, maybe it'll go, but there's that 640 bounce again. There's a buyer at 639. He just got sold into. The opening range low is 630s to get through. There's the opening range low again, 630s. Will they break it? Need to get through this fucking 630 level, and then maybe we can move down to fill that gap down there, 600 flat. Just seems like there's buyers sitting down there at the 39s right now. Again, another big buyer popped up there, so they just cannot get it through that low there for now. Nvidia stuck at the 184.50, so the Nasdaq kind of just stuck here as well, looks like.
Yeah, as long as we stay below the 14 EMA on the 5-minute chart, guys, shorts are in play for me. So that 670 area needs to hold for shorts for me. That's what I'm looking at right now, because we had a rejection off the 14 EMA already. So the previous candle's high should not get taken, right? So that's like 671, 672. That would be the stop. And you want to see like follow through back to the downside, but it's not a convincing candle as well. Like the previous 5-minute candle is not too convincing because you got a wick at the top and the bottom, right? Rejection of 14, but then pushing right back off of it. So, but it's a measured stop short of like 672 and trying to target, like PW saying, like 600, but
going nowhere quickly.
Yeah, it's kind of it's raining right back and forth. So
it's gonna be like this probably all day. So take what you get. 10 points. Be happy.
Yeah, it could be a 10-point. That's why I like in the afternoon session. Like I kind of, when I start seeing the crazy, I'm like, oh, it's gonna be 10-point scalps, because
back up there, 670s again.
This is like a make or break area for shorts, guys. It should hold this level and kind of retrace back down. If it gets back above the 14, if you're a bull, then you're in trouble, right?
Got the VWAP flat at the 87. So there's really just not a lot of volume being traded right now. The volume weighted average price is not moving, so that's never a good sign, I would say. just to expect actual movement, right? Like, not to say the market can't move, but when there's not a lot of volume and the market's just kind of ranging, that's when you get this chop, because it's just no one's committed to either direction. You're not getting a big seller, you're not getting a big buyer. It's just kind of stuck, and it's a tug of war, a war of tugging of war. All right, back up there, VWAP now, 680 level. Ethereum all the way down there, 2,900. So we took the short there at open, Ethereum all the way down there, 2,900. Someone says to trade gold. Let me see, what's gold doing? Gold really ain't doing much either. Well, I guess it's moving a little bit better. Moved down. Gold sold off. Gold down there to the lows. So, I don't know. Now the question is, okay, if we get back above the VWAP, do the longs come in again? Basically, like, I think if I want to get long, I'd want to get back above 25,700 D. Would be like, that's the high. The high right now of this 30-minute candle is 94. So, like, kind of the idea would be to flip that 30-minute candle and make it turn green, and then we get a big wick on the bottom. But you can see we had a wick on that previous 30-minute candle. We got a wick on the bottom of this candle. So we got a big wick on the previous 30-minute candle. And now we got a big wick on the bottom. Yeah. So
it's like I said, guys, that 5-minute chart, that's how I'm kind of reading it right now. See how we're kind of rejecting right off the 14 EMA? That's like this is the make or break for area.
So now on the 5-minute chart, it's kind of like, to see where how this reacts to the VWAP there now.
Santa chop rally.
Santa chop. All I want for Christmas is a move. Ooh.
I mean, where could they trap a lot of people, guys? It would be pushing it back up, right? At this point, to be honest, because you've already had
everybody.
Yeah, you had a higher high put in up top. You had a retracement all the way back down. So if you're trying to short it, NQ kind of loves to do that, but it needs to get back above the 14. If you're bullish, you want to close above the 14 EMA, and you just got it.
The gap did not fill, by the way, but it's never guaranteed. Looking like maybe he gets back above the 80s, try to push up there, 90 to the 7.
I'm in a long, guys. As long as it holds the 14 EMA, I want to pump above like 680 up to 700 because that's the 200 EMA. Kind of trap some. See if we can trap some shorts here. There you go.
Nice. Right there to the VWAP 80s pushing. Those shorts that are trying to short there at the VWAP, they get squeezed if it starts going. So it's like you really want that at key levels. When you're at that key level, you really want like momentum because that's obviously just going to fucking squeeze out those shorts and make a bigger pop to take your profits.
Yeah.
So you see the VWAP right now, still respecting the VWAP there. The close from yesterday is there at the 92s. getting tight either way. Expect something happening here soon. What is it? Almost 10:30. 8 minutes until the 10:30 candle. Like I said, that 30-minute candle kind of looking like it wanted to flip. Right? And it's still trying.
Yeah,
so it's got to
trying.
get above 700 to like flip that candle basically.
Yeah, it's still trying.
Just to be one big chop fest here. Those 30-minute candles, wick. You got a wick on the upside, wick on the downside. Which way do we go? Well, you know what that means. It means that hourly candle is going to be what? Looking like a big, well, yeah, the hourly candle's got no wick on top.
Yeah,
right
no wick
now.
on top right now.
So trying to get through 680s right there at the VWAP now. You got about a minute left here on that 5-minute candle. Maybe you can start getting a little bit more push.
Yeah, there you go. Come on, baby.
There you go. That 90 area maybe next.
Yeah, it's just a little delayed, guys, but that's what I'm seeing on that right? That's why I'm calling out the long. That's why I called out the long, because
The ES is going.
yeah.
Oh, sorry. By the way, NVIDIA just broke out through the 185. So, yes, looks like the longs are coming in here.
Somebody
Just
said
right
big
at the
dump. Somebody said big dump. Okay.
Big
I
dump.
mean, hey, I'm gonna trail the trade. So either way.
I mean, the idea of a big dump is what would make this go higher, honestly, because then people are like, big dump coming, I'm going to short.
Yeah. So, might want to look at the higher time frame. Let's go.
Yeah, NVIDIA's ramping up right now, so it's hard to be short here. If you pull up NVIDIA chart, don't be afraid to pull up other charts, guys. Look at NVIDIA right now. Sorry, breaking out there. NVIDIA going up, broke out of the 15-minute range, so NASDAQ should follow here. This should break to the upside. Like I said, that 700 area to flip that 30-minute candle. You got about 4 minutes left there. 4 minutes to get back above 700s, basically.
Yeah, and I just basically scaled it up, guys. Right? I just trailed my
right there, the
trade
VWAP
right
is
up.
stuck.
$10.25.
What you doing, NASDAQ? Back down to the 670s again. Is it January yet?
I know, right?
I'm over this holiday shit. Get rid of the decorations. Get rid of this fucking chop. I'm over this shit. Not fun. It's not fun. See, look, there's that like just stupid little chop down 670 right back
And then
up.
right back up. Yep.
I mean, basically, NVIDIA pushed up, pulled right back. NASDAQ pulled right back. But NVIDIA starting to go again. 185.20 area. There's a pivot point, 185.20 for NVIDIA. NVIDIA broke out of the 15-minute range there as well, so...
Yeah, on the 15-minute chart, guys, if you're bullish, you want like this current 15-minute candle to kind of hold and push up. and then the next candle basically to kind of continue higher, right? Because that would be like a higher low being established if you look at the previous 15-minute candles, right? So like you got to kind of look at that as well, because we had a high that was put in up top. We had a retracement, so that's what I also saw on the 15-minute chart. It looks like it's trying to build up for a higher, basically a higher low. As long as this candle kind of holds like where it is, maybe closes above the 50 EMA, then we could get expansion back up to retest like 750.
Nvidia starting to go again, 185.30, 185.50, that high of days so far for Nvidia. If they can push through there, take this NASDAQ higher. I hate when the market does this shit where it just like gets stuck in these ranges, and it's either gonna go or it's not. And then when it does start going, it's like that's where you're like, okay, is this the move? And then you miss out on the fucking 30-40 point move to the downside here, you know? So it's like Nvidia pulled right back again. Just no direction here. Now the line in the sand is going to be like that 670 area. I think if they lose at 670s, could drop pretty quickly back down there, 650s or so. There's 670s getting tested. And there you go. Down there, 660s now, really quickly. So, fucking A, dude. I can't be making money with the market not moving. All right, lesson of the day, D. Don't trade the holidays. Don't do it. Guys, we all learned a good lesson today. Buy my course. In the course, it teaches you when to not trade. You don't want to trade you never want to trade on a day that ends with a Y. All right, every day that ends with a Y is not a good day to trade. Right, Landon?
Yeah.
Every day with no Y. You don't trade those days. Whatever you do, stay away from the Y days.
Makes sense.
Yeah. And then also any day without news. Don't trade Mondays, never Mondays. Sometimes stay away from a Tuesday as well. Thursday, hit or miss. Definitely never trade on Friday. Little lesson for y'all out there. By the way, Warbucks, 50% off the one-step account. It's $25, by the way. That's $25. Look at this thing right at the fucking VWAP. You got Nvidia pushing up here as well.
Right back up. Because this is what I was saying, guys. This is the open of the next 15-minute candle. So that higher low actually held, right? So this should be a pump to the upside, guys.
Bumpity pumping.
It basically formed a higher low. So there you go.
There you go. That boy good. Can they get it back above 700? Now, that's the question that I want to know.
Yeah, I think it is. I mean, it's possible. It's possible because
anything is possible. Anything can happen.
Yeah, here we go. Here we go.
Anything can happen. You got Nvidia pumping. NASDAQ trying.
Yep, there you go. Yep.
Just got to get... Look at that. 690 area. That's that gap fill. Yesterday's close. Still holding us down as resistance there.
Anytime D-Money talking trade price shoots the other way. The
market makers.
Yeah, guys. I was in a long, so I'm not sure what you're talking about, but
the market makers got the algorithm listening to D-Money. Whatever D-Money says, they move the market the opposite direction. If you don't believe me, it's true. Look it up. Google it.
Maybe you're referring to a pullback, but like I said, on the 15-minute chart, guys, I mean, now if we get back below the 25,672, then that's great for shorts. But if we hold that, guys, we're headed higher. I mean, that's just basic trading, right? You got higher lows put in.
It's basic trading.
Yeah, it's basic trading. So
basic trading.
I mean, maybe you got in and it pulled back on you and you didn't have enough leverage to hold it or something. Like, I'm not sure, but depends on where your entry was for a long. I saw people take profit on it. Somebody said they closed out on a long, so
that right there is basic trading. It goes up, it goes down. Sometimes it goes down more than it goes up.
Just tried to lose $150 and got it right back. Yeah, it's always like that.
Other day I tried to lose some money for consistency. I think I made like 30,000.
Yeah.
30,000 just trying to do the opposite of what the market's going to do.
It's always like that.
How's that work?
It's crazy.
And then when I try to do that with actually trading, it don't work. I'm like, look, just do the opposite of what you think is going to happen, and then it don't work.
Yeah.
It's hard to lose money, but it's hard to make money. All right, well, NASDAQ just holding up here. Can we get through the 90s? Come on.
There's 90s again.
Go, baby, go.
D-Money needs that's basic trading shirt. Yeah.
It's basic trading, man. Buy low, sell high. It's basic, guys.
All right, guys. So if you took that long, guys, drop a W in the chat.
W?
Because you should be up.
I took the long D with you.
Nice.
I took a look. I traded every little 1 minute candle. Every 1 minute candle I traded, boys. You can't stop me. They don't call me the money making machine for nothing. God, look at this fucking joke. 83 out at 89. 83. Oh my God, it was terrible. I hate my life. All right, so on the day right now, we're up over $10,000 in those live funded accounts. Almost that's 7,500 in 4 of the accounts, 96 in 1 account. You ever do that sometimes where you switch the screens and you come back and you press buy and you buy like 5 contracts in just 1 account instead of the copy trading?
I do that all the time.
Oh, it's the worst.
I do it all the time.
Sometimes it's nice because you're like, oh, sick. But then you're
sometimes
also
it
like,
works, but yeah.
It don't always work in your favor.
All right, guys, we're still running.
Still pushing. There's that 700 push.
Oh, guys. So, whoever the guy was, I forgot your user ID.
Where'd he go?
But
where'd he go,
I hope
D?
you
Where'd he go, D?
You see what's going on right now.
What happened, D? He said that a market. Whenever you talk, the market does the opposite.
Yeah, come on, man.
Come on, man.
Basic trading, guys.
Basic trading. I'm gonna change the name of this fucking YouTube now to just basictrading.com. Welcome to the #1 day trading channel. It's basic.
I love you. There you go, guys. So if you can switch BW to the 15-minute chart when you get a second. Yeah. So 15-minute chart, guys. if you look at the 15-minute chart.
I changed the title of this video to the live stream. Number 1 live basic trading. It's basic, guys.
Man.
It's hard to make money when your computer's not internet connected.
Yeah, so if you look at the 15-minute chart, we had lows down that were put in before like 8:15 area, whatever, right? 8 o'clock, 8:15. Those lows were established. We had a pump to the upside on the opening range. We had a retracement back down, and the previous 15-minute candle, guys. Look at the last 2 candles. Look at the last 2 15-minute candles. They could not break the previous the lows down there, right? So when the previous 15-minute candle closed green and it closed above the 14 EMA, that basically showing that it respected those lows, and that was a higher low established. So the expectation would be that we expand higher to the upside. And you still got 7 minutes on this candle, so it could get up to 7:30 or higher.
We're gonna announce the winners here. We need 1,000 likes. We got 959 likes, guys, for the number 1 basic trading live channel on YouTube. So help us help you. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, we gotta get. I would say 2,000. I wouldn't even do it.
Damn,
we gotta
that
get
boy
2,000.
said 2,000. He greedy.
You gotta get 2,000.
That boy greedy.
We got 4,500 people tuned in, guys. Do us a solid. Hit the like button. 2,000. We'll do a giveaway. We hit 2,200 likes yesterday.
Look at the hourly candle right now. Funny, huh?
Yeah.
30-minute candle broke through the previous candle, so either they're just gonna this is just gonna be stuck here all fucking day. You know,
I think it
middle
pumps
of this fucking range.
I think it pumps back by the, and it might not be right now, but by the end of the day today, probably back above 750.
Oh man. I mean, if you look at yesterday's price action, though, I mean,
yeah,
it's kind of same shit. It's kind of got stuck and it went nowhere after, basically holding that level. Once it figured out where it wanted to close at, that's where it closed at. What's crazy is, dude, if you would have traded the afternoon yesterday, you really would have been hating life.
Oh yeah.
Look at the fucking 30-minute chart yesterday after 1 o'clock. It didn't go nowhere. Those 30-minute candles are literally they're like 20, 30 points, which is crazy to think about. I mean, that looks like a 1-minute chart, but those are 30-minute candles from yesterday. So as much as we want it to go higher now, don't be surprised if it does the same exact shit. Honestly, there's not much of a wick on the bottom of that 30-minute candle. We're back above the VWAP here now.
Yeah, we had it up, guys. Look at it.
Let's go. D-Money wants to pumpity pump. He said it's Christmas. We're gonna Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
No, you got a chance to sign up. You got a chance right now to sign up for the giveaway.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
OnlyPropFirms.com/giveaways. We're going to be announcing the winners here very soon. There's the pump.
Yeah, look at the pump.
Shout out to D-Money calling out the long down there at the 680s. He might just make a little bit of money, but that boy good. That boy good. Slowly crawling up. I don't like slowly crawling anything.
Yeah, look at the pump, man.
There she goes. Now it goes. Once I'm out of the trade, obviously.
Yeah, we got 1,200 likes, guys. Once we hit 2,000, we'll do the giveaway. We got 4,400 people tuned into the stream. We saw a lot of W's in the chat. So we're just trying to make a little money. Do us a solid, guys. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed
to
the channel, PW streams Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. I stream typically Monday through Friday, 1:30 to 4.
The D-Money Show. 2026, it's gonna be big. I heard there's a novel in the works. D-Money Show gonna have his own paperback romance novel.
Oh man.
He laughing, but he gonna be rich. That's right. Ain't many YouTubers out there with their own romance novel. It's gonna be big.
Guys, we're doing a giveaway today. Guys.
Giveaway today.
So there is a giveaway today. So yeah, I think PW said 1,000, guys, but we're doing 2,000. We got to hit 2,000 likes, chat. We had 2,200 yesterday. So we got 4,300 people tuned into the stream. I know a lot of people made money on that trade call out. So let's go.
And there's the chop right back down now.
Hey, let's ban anti-trader 69. This guy, man, all the time. This guy has something like crazy to say.
Always. They always got something.
Yeah,
crazy to say.
anti-trader.
Get out of here.
He gone.
He gone. That boy gone. Imagine hating on a free live stream where we out here trying to make money. Just trying to make money and the haters be hating. It's crazy, man. You gotta be, that's like a crazy thing to do. Like, just tell me you crazy without telling me you crazy. You be hating on D-Money.
So yeah, you
D-Money's
just gotta
like
go.
the last person to hate on, man.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
He never got nothing bad to say about nobody. He don't even toot his own horn. Crazy. If y'all met D-Money in real life, you'd be like, damn, you cool, dude. You cool. That's the thing too, is right? Like people like they just see what they see online,
Yeah.
right? They, you know, like they got no idea.
Mhm.
Like they don't know, you know, like they don't know. D-Money got a daughter. He just trying to provide, trying to make a little bit of money, have a little bit of fun. And people trying to come in here and talk shit. PW, smarter and smarter, coming over from the bottom step. Well, you know, when you start at the bottom, you get to the top. What they say, you take the steps on the way up, but you take the elevator on the way down. Take the elevator on the way down, chat. This thing's getting real tight. 1 minute chart looks like a bull flag wants to go through 720s. What do you think, chat?
All right, we're almost there, guys. We got 1,400. We only need 600 more likes. You're new here. Should I open a long position or a short position? I don't see shorts right now. But your entry, the only issue I see right now trying to enter, if you didn't enter earlier, is that where would you place your stop loss on the trade?
Pulled back again. Big pullback. Now, I think this is going to fucking double top on the ES. This thing is just going to fucking chop now the rest of the day. Nvidia got stuck at the 186s. NASDAQ holding up here at the pivot point. Can't hold that pivot point. Could start to pull back a little bit more. They're bouncing it for now. Let's see if they can start to do something here. What do we got? We're going into almost the 10:50, 11 o'clock kind of candle opening up. The 11, well, obviously the 11 o'clock candle. Things get a little interesting at the close of that candle on the hourly chart. A lot of resistance up here, so.
Somebody said basic banning. Oh, man.
Just basic trading, man. Look at it. Look at that chart. It's basic. Basically, the market went down, and then it went back up. Basic. It's basically basic. Holding up there at the EMAs right now, trying to. Another bull flag set up here. Ooh, buddy. There you go.
Yeah.
Nice little push off of that pivot point. Well, I think maybe here between 10. Look, give it about 2 more minutes and see what happens. If this thing starts to go, those hourly candle closes always get a little wild, right? I mean, anything's possible. This thing could just fucking ramp back up there to the 750s in the last 10 minutes.
Yeah.
It sounds crazy, but
wouldn't be surprised.
we've seen it happen too many times.
1 hour candle looks really good.
We should have a party one day somewhere in Miami for the BDH fans and traders. Sounds scary. Then I'd have to hire bodyguards because the women be all over D Money. Have to put one of those red ropes around him. Put a red rope around D Money when he's at the party so no one can sexually harass him or molest him, I would say. He's just a little guy. Miami's overrated. Come to West Palm. Oh man, we gonna do it in Pompano. Come on now. Do not touch signs. Exactly. We're gonna put do not touch. Get him a T-shirt that says "Don't touch." But if you do, you better have some money. Get one free touch, and then the rest of the touches cost a little bit of money. Right now, the Nasdaq just holding up there. 705s. You got about a minute here until 10:50. When does normal trading volume resume? I mean, pretty much right back in the beginning of January. I'd say the first day after New Year's is pretty much right back into it. I mean, really, the thing, too, is you got to think about, like, what's the big driver right now? We don't really have any earnings. We don't have any, like, you know,
really
everyone's kind of in the holiday season. There's not a lot of stuff going on. It's just kind of, I think everyone's checked out, to be honest. You know? I'm probably gonna stream tomorrow morning just by myself, just kind of fucking around Christmas Eve. Give D Money the day off, let him enjoy the holidays. I don't know, it'll probably be like maybe a quick little hour, 2 hours tomorrow morning. I'm not gonna have really any expectations, but I'll be live tomorrow morning for a little bit, and then we'll see. I won't be live on Friday. I'm gonna go fishing, and then next week really just depends on the weather as well. If the weather's good for fishing, then I won't be here. So it's a good time to relax, take off a little bit of time. Don't, you know, I always tell people, D, that I'm like, some of my like best, I don't know, say like when I like my best breakthroughs for trading have happened after a break.
Because you're like refresh.
Yeah, you gotta kind of step away sometimes and kind of be
fresh
like, okay,
eyes.
You know, like kind of step away from trading and be like, okay, you know, I'm gonna get back into it, but I'm only gonna go for small winnings. You know, I'm just gonna lock in those green trades, whatever it is. The biggest problem for a lot of traders is you get this. I mean, I get there. You get in this mental like fuckery where you're like, man, I gotta make as much money as possible today. Yeah. And you're like, well, why today? You're like, well, I just got to.
Yeah, and that's the day where typically the market's
that's the day where you blow
crappy.
all your accounts.
Yep.
Always.
It's gonna be crappy.
Always. Yep. Come on. It's guaranteed. You want to blow your account? Wake up in the morning and tell yourself you want to make a lot of money. The number way to blow an account is to basically wake up in the morning and be like, okay, guys, I'm gonna make the most money I've ever made my entire life today. And you're like, yeah, sounds good. Good luck. Good luck with that. Did Landon fall asleep? Yeah, I think he's over it. He said, peace out, this price action. Peace out. On the day right now, I am up 20, I'll just call it the lowest account, 2,600. So a little over $10,000, maybe like 12,000. I don't know. Something around there. It's been a very scalpy day. It's just been kind of scalping these little pullbacks into the EMAs and then selling for those little pushes. These are my Take Profit Trader live accounts. So I mean, basically 8,000, 8,000, 8,000. So 5 accounts times 8,000, that would be $40,000 that I could withdraw from Take Profit Pro Plus accounts. So I kind of want to run them up a little bit more, to be honest. Maybe just a little bit more. See what happens. No point taking a payout before the beginning of next year either way. Nasdaq's still pushing.
Still pushing, yeah. It's gonna, I said.
You still got 8 minutes. What did we say? 8 minutes.
Yeah, it's gonna.
And we were joking about that hourly candle, right?
Yep.
It's possible.
Basic trading, guys.
Basic trading. It's just basic, man.
Oh man.
We just out here doing basic stuff. Basically making money. Basic money making. Oh God.
You don't need a code for Warbucks, right? Somebody's saying discount code.
Yeah, no code for Warbucks. Or no, BUX. Fucking A. Oh, by the way, the winners. Guys, the winners. Look up above. There's your name going across. We're going to send you an email either way, but congratulations to all of the winners in the chat. Congratulations. I want to party with you. Party with me. Party with you. Party, 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 party. Upbeat Christmas music. There we go. Winners, 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 winners. When are the BDH streaming awards happening? Shit, we gotta do those still. Forgot about that. We did that last year. Everyone loved it. Well, this hourly candle got 5 minutes left on it. The high of that previous candle, we're only 30 points away from it. I mean, it sounds crazy, but it ain't that crazy when you think about it. Right? In theory, when you think about it.
Y'all spelled my name wrong.
Where?
No, they said it because it was, yeah.
Still pushing. Can we get that push all the way through there? If you look at NVIDIA right now, NVIDIA is very, very tight. Anybody looking at NVIDIA, or is it just me? Maybe everybody, but yeah, look at it. She's trying to go. NVIDIA up there, 186. The next pivot point, 186.26 on NVIDIA. So you saw Jerome at Magic City in Atlanta last night? Oh, shit.
Hey.
I told Jerome to stay out of them bars. He don't listen.
Free Jerome.
Me and D-Money were like, Jerome, listen, you got to stay out of the bars, man. You're going to get yourself in trouble. And he just said, ha! I was like, what does that mean? Ha! You remember? He just said that. He was like, ha! I'm like, what? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Are we gonna go? Is this gonna happen?
Yeah, it's good.
Are we doing it? Are we breaking 740s here?
Yeah, it's gonna break.
We got 4 minutes until close of these candles. I got a little eval trade going. I got 50 cons. Seeing if we can't get a little pushy push up there into the 40s when this candle closes. Oh, right when I pull it up, the market makers pulled it back. Little do they know it's an eval. Haha, market makers, fuck you. Fuck you.
What was the giveaway for? It's for free accounts.
Wait, you gave away free accounts?
They said what was
No,
somebody.
the giveaway was to come and hang out with D Money. Y'all didn't win the giveaway to come hang out with D Money? Every day next year, 2026, 1:30 p.m. Hey guys, after the stream, we're gonna be premiering last week's little day trading fishing adventure that we had with the BDH crew. So come on, get through the 40s here. Do it, NASDAQ. Come on, make me look smart. Make me look smart, chat. Come on!
Yeah, it's trying. 735.
Looks pretty good. You got a minute left here,
Yeah,
basically.
It's gonna.
Come on, one more boner, one more boner. I need one more boner, boys. One more boner. Just one more time.
When will the email be sent out? Is it today, PW, or?
I don't know, man. Whenever the Filipino man does his job, I can't help it.
This is that music when Jerome was in his prime, guys. Jerome was in his prime when this music came out. Brad, a lot of basic trades taking place.
Yeah, I just want this basic trade to hit. Damn it. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Yeah.
Pump it up! I need the song.
So guys, you got the. I think they can see it, right?
What?
That shirt.
Yeah, they see the shirt.
Blue V. Yeah, free Jerome, guys. Free Jerome shirt. So let's go.
There's only one song that we need, boys. Only one.
Should be able to cop that soon.
Not that one. No, this one. I want the official remaster.
I got Jerome's bail money.
Why is Jerome locked up? Man, it's a long story.
Hey, it's a long story with this guy.
He broke into the BDH. He had some women with him. He was doing cocaine. It was wild. I saw the video cameras. I was like, not in the Ferrari. Oh, not in the Ferrari. Oh, God. Yeah, no, it was bad. It's dangerous. Let's just say you wouldn't want to show, anybody that video because it was graphic. Let's take all of it. No way. PW actually has a winning trade. What are you talking about? I always win. I turned on the song. We went higher, boys. It was guaranteed. It never fails. People don't believe me, but sometimes you just need a theme song. You know, you're making money. What the fuck, chat? What the fuck, chat? Patrick never has a winning trade. You motherfuckers. You motherfuckers. I don't know if y'all noticed, but my best winning trade is right here. Right there.
Let's go.
That's my favorite winning trade. I traded him for Arena.
Oh, man.
Oh, no. Oh, no, he did it. Oh, no, he did it. Oh, no, he did it.
You gonna get my Twitter account blown up? Oh, man.
Oh, man. Oh, no, he did it.
So guys, who's still holding from 680? Who's still holding along from 680? I'm interested to see who cashed out and who actually anybody hold it all the way up from 680. Nice.
Come on! Oh, you son of a bitch, NASDAQ. You son of a bitch!
Took profit, but I was in at 650. Nice. Yeah, it just took a while, guys. It was just delayed. But once I kind of saw, that's what I kind of been noticing. I got to kind of get better at it. Is if you got the initial pump, price comes down and does a retracement, you're looking for lower highs, right? If you're bullish, you want to see you want to see higher lows be put in, and that kind of sometimes it signals a reversal, like starting to go back to the upside. So I kind of picked that up and I saw it on the 15-minute chart. It was pretty clear on the 15-minute chart.
I'm adding into this because I'm that fucking confident that it's going to go down. I mean up. Or maybe down. I don't know. Just basic trading, basically. You know, it's called the basic day trading house. Basic.
We gotta get a basic trading shirt. Like we gotta
A place with loyalty. Started an energy drink company called BDE, Big Dick Energy. Helps you in all aspects of life. Sounds like a lawsuit just waiting to happen. Someone's got to buy the drink thinking they're going to actually get something and then be like, nothing happened. I drank all your energy drinks, but it never grew. Well, sorry, sir. It's all about that horny goat weed. Everybody knows that. You go to the little Indian gas stations, they always got that horny goat weed. Like, where do you order that at? You might know. Come on, you don't know where you get the horny goat weed at?
Honestly, I don't.
Like, is there a vendor that just goes around to every Indian station?
There has to
like,
be.
Hey,
he's probably making a lot of money because it's in every gas station.
Do you guys not have horny goat weed?
It's in every gas station.
In your location? People are in.
I don't know how.
It's in demand.
Man.
You know, it is in demand. The horny goat weed is a real thing. People don't understand. It's always.
It's like, you know what's crazy about it, guys?
I remember being a kid and like going to the local little fucking Indian store and being like, oh man, they got the horny goat weed.
Oh, my dad.
Crazy.
So, and guys, yeah, like my dad like passed away and all this, but like he was
big horny goat weed.
Oh man, my sister went to his house, apartment to like clean out all his stuff and all. Man, he was stocked up on all kind of stuff, man.
On the horny goat weed?
Yeah, that and a bunch of other stuff. He was like
D-Money's dad. He was like, this horny goat weed shit works.
Yeah, he was not playing.
I like it, man. A friend told me you can buy it at Walmart. Pine Tree Trader. Is that Walmart's in Maine? The horny goat weed, huh? Buy it in bulk. at Costco. I do wonder though, what is horny goat weed? Let me look it up. Horny goat weed.
Do us a solid, guys. Hit the like button. We should be at 2,000 likes, chat. We're trying to get to 2,000 likes. Do us a solid. Hit the like button. We got 1,600.
It's an actual thing.
Yeah, it's a real thing.
A real thing.
Yeah, it's a real thing.
Horny goat weed, uses, side effects, and more. Horny goat weed refers to various herb species of the, I don't even know how to say that, or may be known as yin yang hu. Yin yang hong. Yin yang hong. It's good for weak and brittle bones, health problems, bronchitis, and erectile dysfunction. That's an interesting, like.
Yeah, it's a.
that is very interesting. So you have health problems after menopause, weak bones, bronchitis, and then erectile dysfunction. For some reason, this magical plant that just grows everywhere is helping people around the world with weak bones and ED. So, big shout out to Horny Goat Weed. Keep it real out there, my friends. Oh, man. Gotta love that. Oh, there is a side effect, though. If you're breastfeeding, be careful, because there isn't enough reliable information to know if horny goat weed is safe to use when breastfeeding. We do not suggest using horny goat weed while pregnant. Oh, man. If your wife's taking horny goat weed, you better be careful. Tell her to cut down when she's pregnant. Oh, fuck. Dude. Fuck. Dude, Kryptonite song was playing. Is this YouTube gonna get banned again? Fuck. I don't know why that's the second song after the Creed song. Last time Kryptonite played on the channel, the live stream got fucking banned.
Yeah, and they banned it.
Fuck. Fuck. God damn it. Damn it. I just heard it. I'm like, oh shit. That's not good. The YouTube algorithm does not like Kryptonite. Don't like it. It does not like it. The music Kryptonite on my channel.
Somebody said see you next year. No, hopefully he caught it. Hopefully he caught it real quick.
D-Money gonna be out of a job. D-Money out of a job. All right, so in my live accounts today, you can see here we're up 20. We'll just call it 2,600 per account. So like a little over 10,000. In these Take Profit Trader live accounts. That's the great thing about Take Profit Trader is you can actually copy trade 5 live accounts. And then the profit split is only 90-10. Well, 90-10. 90-10? Yeah, 90-10 profit split. So, I don't know. There's a lot of options. That's the crazy part. Is there's so many options right now, D, for the prop firm space. Like it used to be you had a couple options.
Yeah.
But now there are so many options.
Well, the good thing is too is that as these prop firms, like they're all competing like to try to get better. As far as like better futures,
I mean, I
and
still
all that
remember.
Stuff, so
I remember when
cool.
Top Step, the accounts were like $500, and that was like they never did deals, they never had sales. Like 3 or 4 years ago, shit was hard. It wasn't easy being a prop firm trader. But yeah, now that we have so many prop firms, it really has driven the price lower.
Yeah.
We saw that even Top Step came out with a cheaper deal, so everybody's driving the price down, which is very interesting because at a certain point, I mean. What's cheaper than zero? The prop firm is going to be paying you to lose. Mm-hmm. Like, listen, don't give away my secret. It might be a new prop firm idea. How to get more customers. We will pay you to lose. It's an option. We're considering it. We're looking into it. I took a trade on Warbucks this morning. I showed you guys that short On Ethereum, where we at now? I haven't even looked since I got filled. Yeah, so Ethereum went down there, nice, 29,900. It actually bounced off a pivot point and then chopped back up, kind of followed the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ, Ethereum, and all that kind of working together. You can trade multiple cryptos. You've got Bitcoin, you've got Ethereum, you got all the top coins, Solana, and all that on Warbucks. Right now, the one-step accounts are 50% off. That's an insane deal. It's literally like 25 bucks for a eval to get paid out, and you only have to make a minimum payout. It's only 100 bucks. So you get an account, you make 50 bucks 3 or 4 days in a row. You just paid for the account. You just 4x your money. So a $25 account can turn into a $100 payout in as little as however many days of consistency. So it's an option. I think this is now just we're just out of. We just gonna just get stuck here.
Yeah, it didn't put in a higher high yet, right? It came close to putting in
the ES broke out
high
already, put in a higher high. NASDAQ stuck here. It's funny because Nvidia is pushing. Nvidia is pushing up here, which is kind of interesting. What's Apple doing? Apple also pushed up. So, yeah, I don't know. I was really hoping Apple was going to go for that 300 push end of year, but we haven't had a nice push in a minute, but they kind of just end up here. This is when that chop happens, when the market's just in this area where it's just the buyers and the sellers just aren't really committed either way. It's kind of like if you were already bullish, you were probably long earlier, and then the shorts are trying to get this to drop back down. And either way, that pump at open, pumps straight up, straight back down. You can see the 15-minute range. We talked about it earlier when we were down there at the lows, right? Like the idea of, hey, just because we're down here at this low don't mean we're going to keep going lower. It's almost like a level that you don't want to short.
Yeah, you don't want to short it.
You don't want to short that 15-minute range low because, well, that thing pops back up. You want to almost, I always say, you kind of want to break that 15-minute range low, push back up, turn that 15-minute range low into resistance, and then go lower,
and then go,
right?
Yeah,
that's,
and then short it.
Like, then you're like, oh. Because, again, like, people are like, well, why the 15-minute range low? Well, all that is that's just candles, right? We're looking at those 15-minute bodies, those candles, the 15-minute candles. That range is just giving us, like, hey, the low on that 15-minute candle obviously is the low of the range. So it's, if we don't swipe through that and then push back up and then turn that previous 15-minute low into resistance, well, then we might kind of just chop back up. So that's what we're playing into when you think about the 15-minute range. It's really the idea that we're breaking that 15-minute range low, we're moving down, we're pushing back up, we're getting stuck at that 15-minute candle low, and then making that push. I think D talks about that a lot with his kind of, on the bigger time frame. Are we putting in a higher low still? Are we, even though it looked very bearish earlier, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we held the previous 4-hour candle and pushed right back up. So, it's funny in hindsight to look at it now because you're like,
yeah, because the candle's green now.
At
so
10 o'clock,
like,
everybody was like, oh, this thing's going to gap. It's going to fill the gap. It's going to fill the gap. It's going to fill the gap.
Yep.
I mean, it was really easy to be bearish. I think everybody was like, fuck. But then I also said, like, hey, don't be too aggressive down here at the 15-minute range low because we saw yesterday, same exact thing happened. We got down there to the low and just kind of stuck there all day. So it's Christmas time. If you're not happy, well, sounds like a personal problem. But if you're here and you're enjoying the stream, hit the like button, subscribe button. We're trying to do it, man. Just trying to have a little bit of fun, Trying to have a little bit of fun, make a little bit of money, enjoy life. Life is short. D, I don't know about you, man, but the older I get, the more I think just like, it just ain't easy. It just ain't easy. Life, it's hard. Right? I think people think that people that have money or people that are successful have it easier than others, but I think everyone's got their own bullshit they're going through, right? Everyone's got their own kind of own shit going on. So You got any? You going to see Fort Myers? You going to Fort Myers for Christmas?
Yeah. So I'm gonna go to Fort Myers, chat. I got
You got brothers and sisters?
Yeah.
How many do you got?
Yeah.
Brothers, sisters?
I got a brother that lives there. He's a year older than me, and I got a sister that lives there, and then I got 2 half sisters and a half brother that live in Texas. So, but I'm gonna go there, see my mom, my family, bring my daughter. So that'll be cool. She get to play with her cousins. So I'm looking forward to it, guys. So she'll be asleep. I mean, it's like a 2-hour drive. Nice drive across 75 Alligator Alley. So I'll do that. She'll sleep the whole way, and then by the time she wakes up, we'll be there. So it'll be cool.
I like it.
Jerome too. Nah, Jerome's not invited, guys. I don't need Jerome. My mom. I think I told PW the story. Yeah, actually, I told PW the story. So my mom. I don't need Jerome, guys. My mom. Hopefully, she doesn't like get pissed for Christmas time. But we were at my brother's house, and she just decided to basically, oh, hey, I'm so glad you switched out those ugly curtains, like, right? She just decided to like vocalize that to my brother's wife. So
yeah, I remember you saying that.
Yeah, so nah, guys, Jerome can't come. We don't need any drama.
So funny, I was looking at this. So I have like $1 million cash right now that I'm trying to figure out, like where the best place to put it. Do I invest it in different stuff? Where we're at. It's funny because right now, like a savings account, you're only gonna get 3.5%. So on $1 million for an entire year, you're gonna earn $40,000.
Yeah.
So like,
what about the high yield though? The high yield ones.
I mean, this is nice just because there's no like rules on pulling it in and out.
Yeah.
So you can keep it kind of liquid.
Yeah.
That's like obviously that's why you get a lower rate.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I don't know. I'm just a dumb redneck. I don't think people believe me, but like I grew up in the country. I don't even know what a stock was before I was like 25. So it is funny because they don't teach you. When would they teach you what to do with your money?
No, they don't.
At what point in your life are they like, hey,
yeah,
hello, today we're gonna teach you about how to save money?
Yeah, I think in high school they need to do it better. I think that's something like money management.
I think in high school we can get rid of algebra. We can get rid of fucking calculus. We can get rid of, pretty much everything that fucking doesn't matter about the world. Mm-hmm. And they should, have classes where it's like you take a class on like interest, credit cards.
I agree.
Savings.
Yeah, how to manage your credit cards, all that.
Yeah.
Stuff.
Like that should be like a senior class.
Yeah, I agree.
When you graduate high school, you should get classes that teach you how to do shit. Mm-hmm. Like every single high schooler should literally learn a trade while in high school.
Yeah.
Because they have like extracurricular classes where you have like gym. You have like I had a ping pong class.
Yeah.
When I was in high school, I played ping pong for a period. But like, why not have like a welding or like a shop class or like some kind of like teach people how to change the oil on their car, or like do something, how to change a fucking flat tire. What? They have that?
Yeah, they have those programs where you can do like Votech and all that. Yeah, they have shop. Yeah.
They really? I didn't have shop.
Yeah, they do for that, but yeah, they definitely don't have the financial classes,
stuff,
guys.
Like,
yeah.
I don't know. I just
managing credit, how to manage a credit card, like all that stuff. I think we could do better as a.
I mean, or just honestly, just the idea of like teaching people how to be fucking people. I think that's also the issue, right? Like we got to get back to like, hey, this is the idea of like what it is to be an American, right? Like to have pride and like to want to like do better and like to want to make your community better, right? Because that's like the idea, right? Everyone should, like, if you have your neighbors, everyone should have a common interest to want to have where they live to be clean and to be safe and like to have pride. Like I see some people that they don't give a fuck. They'll just like throw trash out their window and it's like, bro, come on, man. Like why? Like every gas station has a trash can, right? Everybody got to get gas at some point. So the idea of throwing the trash out your window is just like, why? I saw some guy do it the other day and I pulled up next to him and I looked at him just like, and he was all like, confused. And I'm like, well, you fucking moron for he threw a fucking plastic bottle and some other shit out the window at a stoplight. I'm just like, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? So yeah, I think that's what we got to get back to, because there was a point in time where in America, it was Americans believe that we were a part of something bigger, right? The whole of America. Now it's the problem is everyone is just living in this bubble where everyone is just me, 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 me. There's no more we anymore, right? Nobody wants to like know their neighbor. Nobody wants to help anybody. Like even this morning, I'm walking around my neighborhood doing my little morning walk, thinking about life, and I see this guy and he's walking towards me, and I was like, good morning.
Yeah.
And he looked at me. It's just like he was confused.
Yeah.
And I looked at him. I said again. I said, "Good morning." And he go, "Oh, good morning." I'm like, "The fuck?
Yeah. Some
What are you
people.
gonna do? Like, I'm gonna say good morning. You're just gonna look at me?"
Yeah. Some people. Yeah.
They'd
they're
be like
not-
confused. Like, "Oh, why you? Oh, good morning." I'm like, "The fuck?" I was pissed. I'm like, "What an asshole." You know? I try to always like when I walk past somebody, I always try to say something.
Yeah.
like a nice
oh
thing,
yeah.
like,
Oh yeah.
just
Without it
like-
out.
be
Without
like,
it
"Hey,
out.
I know
For
you're
me too.
alive."
Like in the elevator.
Yeah.
I mean, in my building, all that stuff. Yeah. When I see people, so your neighbors, guys. I mean, a lot of times, you know, it's like one of those things where I kind of realized it. I mean, I come from humble beginnings as well, and I you know, I talk about that all the time on the stream. So, and it's kind of funny because, you know, as you're fortunate enough and like blessed enough to like kind of, I guess, continue to elevate in your life, you kind of move to these neighborhoods, and some of these neighborhoods, like they're more vocal with that stuff than others. Like, so like even in my building, guys, like you get super friendly people, then you get some people you say good morning, and they're like
Confused.
getting in the corner in the elevator. I'm like, hey, I just said hi. Like, it's crazy.
I mean,
Sometimes
it's also
the reaction.
like the thing too is like I think about my Nana, right? My Nana, she's old.
Yeah.
You know, 89, almost 90, and like I hope that if she's walking around her community or whatever, and someone talks to her, right? It's like don't have the whole conversation, but just be like, hey, how you doing?
Yeah.
You having a good day? All right, you know, just like it's just like having a little bit of communication with people. It might change someone's life.
No, I agree.
Right? So like I see somebody like this morning, I saw another older guy. He looked like he was kind of like flustered or whatever, and I was walking by and I said, "Hey man, beautiful morning." And he kind of looked at me like confused. He goes, "Oh yeah, it's nice. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day."
Yeah.
You know, people always ask me like, "Oh, how's your day going?" I'm like, "Living the fucking dream, baby.
Yeah.
Living the dream." I could have been born anywhere else in the world and fucking been dealt with a whole different hand of cards, but luckily for me and I think for Jerome and D Money, we were born, you know, with the Trump card in our pockets. So America, baby. Nvidia is just going right now. I mean, I'm honestly impressed that Nvidia is literally just going to the moon and the Nasdaq's going nowhere, which is very, very interesting.
Yeah, NQ's kind of
It's just stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck.
Look at Nvidia's up almost 2% on the day.
Yeah.
And NQ is like barely flirting with green.
So like somebody said like, what is D Money looking at on the chart right now? So guys, I mean, we hit 750 basically, right? We're right at 750 level. So you want to start seeing like the 5-minute candle. If we're going to kind of put in highs and then do a retracement, put in highs, do a retracement, you want to start seeing the lower time frame, like higher lows be respected. So if you're looking for longs, I would be basically kind of looking for that. So I want to see like these lows at like 730 basically be respected, right? So that would be like my stop loss, because I know if we get back below 730, then we're probably headed a lot lower, probably going to break the 14 EMA. So as we kind of climb to the upside, that's how we'll kind of play this right now with NQ. It's like a slow grind up. Everything else is pushing up. I think NQ is just a little bit behind, but it's going to get there. So I would just start kind of putting my stops below either previous candles lows on the 5-minute chart, or like the established low that's kind of sitting there at like 730, because you can have an established stop loss, and then as it obviously moves higher, you can just move your stop loss higher. Basic trading.
Some guy in the chat said, other morning I was taking a walk and I said hello to a gentleman and he said his name was Jerome and then he robbed me. Well, yeah, no, be careful. Be careful, man. You see a guy with fucking big afro and fucking aviators.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
You know, we have a drawing of on D Money's shirt. You know, you gotta move it a little bit this way so we see it. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's a realistic drawing. So if you see somebody in your neighborhood running around like this, you know, just be careful. Be careful, man. Be careful. All right, so I'm happy with that, D. I don't know about you. Do you feel like you need to keep trading or what? You good or what? We good?
Nah,
I'm good.
yeah, I'm good.
I'm good. We good. That boy good. We got a premiere coming up after this show. If you guys want to see kind of behind the scenes from the last week when we were doing the day trading live, we got it coming up. So I'm excited. That'll be what time? Today is the 23rd. We're gonna premiere it here at 11:30. Yeah, I'm pretty pumped up. I think it's gonna be a good. Everyone should be fun. Got a little behind the scenes, kind of see what's going on when we were sail fishing, day trading live on YouTube. That'll be at 11:30 there. I'll put a link here in the chat real quick. And yeah, exciting times, man. Exciting times. Still just kind of pushing, but if you look at that hourly candle, it's just like, it's a little scary looking, right? It's just like, it's just a little scary looking. It just seems like it's kind of holding on for dear life there. It's just like,
I think it's kind of pump. Yeah, there it is.
Through the 750s now.
There you go. Yeah, guys, that's what I'm saying. So notice how the look at your 5-minute chart, like the previous 5-minute candle. So like you can start kind of, if it's gonna slow grind, I would just start putting my stop below the previous 5-minute candle's low, and you're gonna get pops to the upside, right? And that's what's happening because it's just delayed compared to Nvidia and some of these other ones. Well, guys, I mean, I'm not streaming tomorrow, so hope you guys have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Appreciate the support, guys, as always. I love you.
We gotta make that like a button. Like a button that says I love you.
Yeah.
I love you. Yeah, so go check it out. There's a premiere happening here very soon. Leave some comments, leave some love. If you're still watching the stream, guys, it really does help us. You know, the comments, the likes. I know it sounds stupid, and it's always like, yeah, these fucking guys always are asking for likes, but we're not asking for your money, right? But D-Money and myself, we could easily start a Discord and make everybody pay to watch us talk and just not actually day trade like most Discords. Or you can come here and watch us for free, enjoy the stream, and all we ask for is just a little bit of love. A little bit of love. Little bit of love. There it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. Big shout out, like D-Money said, Merry Christmas. I'll be here tomorrow morning for a little bit just to kind of fuck around. But yeah, that's it. Enjoyed it. How'd you do, Landon? You good? Good day? You're up? Up 300. Landon's up 300. D-Money's up. We up. We up. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Love you. And peace to the Middle East. Check out the premiere. It's happening right now.
Do-do-do-do.